Your blood travels over 96,000 kilometers every single day, and you didn't even notice. But do you know what's actually swimming in your veins? Let's break down the composition of blood. Blood is fluid in animals that transport substances. It isn't just red liquid, it's the highway of life in animals. But what exactly does it do? Here's a quick challenge. Before we go further, can you name 3 functions of blood without repeating the word transport? Pause the video and comment below. The following are the functions of blood. It transports oxygen and carbon dioxide, oxygen from the lungs to the body cells, and carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs. It transports nutrients to the body cells. It transports waste materials to the excretory organs, such as the kidneys. It protects the body from infections. It regulates the body temperature. It transports hormones from the site of production to the site of effect. That's a logistics company, police force, and thermostat all in one. What is the composition of blood? Blood is composed of 2 main components, the blood plasma and the blood cells. The blood plasma is the liquid part of blood where blood cells and other substances are suspended. It consists of several substances. 90% of the blood plasma is water. Water in the blood acts as a solvent, maintains the body temperature, and regulates the viscosity of blood. To sum up, water in plasma helps regulate temperature and keeps your blood flow just right. Think of it as the blood's built-in coolant and lube system. The blood plasma also contains several plasma proteins such as albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. It contains dissolved salts such as sodium, potassium, and calcium. It contains nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and vitamins. And finally, it contains other substances such as urea and dissolved gases. Blood is composed of 3 types of blood cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's start with the red blood cells. The red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. They transport oxygen from the lungs to the body cells. They have a biconcave shape, which enables them to have a large surface area for oxygen transportation. They have no nucleus. This feature also creates more room for oxygen transportation. They contain haemoglobin, a substance that binds with oxygen and forms oxyhemoglobin. The red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. Their lifespan is 120 days. The other blood cells are the white blood cells. The white blood cells are also called leukocytes. The function of the white blood cells is to protect the body from infections. They contain the nucleus, unlike the red blood cells, and they are much larger than red blood cells. The white blood cells are roughly classified into 2 phagocytes and lymphocytes. The phagocytes kill bacteria directly by engulfing them. The lymphocytes are further classified into B cells and T cells. The B cells produce antibodies that cause bacteria to clump together. The T cells kill bacteria directly by engulfing them. The white blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. The other blood cells are the platelets. The platelets are also called thrombocytes. They are not complete cells but a fragment of cells in the blood. They have no nucleus, just like the red blood cells. They are involved in blood clotting, a process that seals the blood vessel when injured. They are also produced in the bone marrow. To recap, blood is fluid in animals that transport substances. It has several functions such as transporting oxygen, nutrients, waste materials, and hormones, protecting the body from infections, and regulating the body temperature. Blood is composed of blood plasma and blood cells. Blood plasma is the liquid part of blood that consists of water, plasma proteins, dissolved salts, nutrients, and other dissolved substances. The cells found in the blood include the red blood cells, which transport oxygen, the white blood cells, which protect the body from infections, and the platelets, which are involved in blood clotting. You just explored the superhighway of life, blood. But what's guarding those roads? Now that you know what flows in your veins, our next video dives into the types of blood vessels. Stay curious, stay brilliant.